Let's create a repeating work order that will repeat every year. On September the 1st, to inspect a signal cabinet. Let's go to work orders, okay? Work orders, and then let's create a repeat work order right here. And it will begin on September the 1st, and it will repeat every year on September 1st, and it will end on September 2nd. So then once we finish this work order, it will become repeated automatically. Save and finish and save. This is the repeat work order. So let us create a task for it. Now the task would be to inspect the cabinet. Let's create a task. Now this is a non-asset task by default, but we'll change it. And that would be inspect. Well, let's search for inspect. Okay, we found inspect. Start would be again on September the 1st and September the 2nd, and the due date would be September 6th. Priority, let's make it important. Scroll down, we need to add department. We have to. And for that, we'll TO signals. That would be the department. Activity code and location code, I'm not sure. And we will need to name this task, and that would be annual signal cabinet inspection, and we need to assign labor or crew, and let's assign Eric. We can assign the whole crew, of course, but inspection usually takes one person. Next, add location, and we will add location by address. We need to start typing the address because Northeast 149th, Brush Prairie. Okay, it's right. The signal cabinet is right here. And hit next, and we will add it to an existing work order. An existing work order would be, there it is. I looked it up right here. Add to this, finish and save. So it's there. It's a non-asset task. But next thing we need to do is to convert it to an asset task because it's a signal cabinet. So asset type would be signal cabinet, activity would be to inspect, and location would be here, and this is the actual signal cabinet. So once we select the signal cabinet, we need to hit this checkbox, hit save, and now we're done. Almost. Now this is a task 745. So we need to assign resources or enter resources, because although Eric is an owner and responsible for it, but we still need to assign labor. So labor would be, let's say again, Eric, and he will work on this assignment, let's say for 3 hours. So equipment, let's add utility card just for the sake of this and use it for 3 hours. Material, paint. White, yellow, okay. It's actually in science, but that's okay. Quantity, 1 bottle. Let's see if we save changes, and if it gives us an error. Okay, great. Close. So now we have the cost, total cost, labor cost, equipment cost, material cost. So this is great. Now we're done. This task 7745 is in the work order. This work order, and because I didn't enter description, we don't say description, so let's do this. Description, annual cabinet inspection. So, although I did add the department, TO signals, owner would be Eric.